Here's a 2022 Honda Accord Hybrid. Honda's flagship car isn't just a vehicle, it's a legacy. And as a hybrid, the legacy includes a cleaner planet. It's well equipped with the features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, inductive device charging, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, driver control suspension management, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Pohanka Honda of Fredericksburg is a great place to buy a car. Conveniently located at 60 South Gateway Drive in Fredericksburg.